am I done playing football? I'm probably 95% sure I'm done playing football. But I wanted to do it the right way. I wanted to give the Redskins organization the respect they deserved, and obviously do it with them when the time was right. I wanted to wait until I either signed my national deal with the network before I made that official announcement. And I wanted to do it at a press conference. I was in L.A. with NFL Network a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to do it then, but the time wasn't right. Jason Witten had just announced. I didn't want to take anything away from him. And so, I just wanted to wait for the right opportunity for myself to do it.
DeAngelo Hall, 10 seasons with the Redskins, right?
Yeah. There's no doubt that he's retiring. I mean, there's some people saying, oh, he's backing off, whatever, 95%. He's retiring.
Well, just look at the injuries the last few years. 2014, the Achilles, which is often a devastating injury. Came back from that. The next year had a toe problem. Mm-hmm. Comes back from that. The next year tears his ACL. That spills into 2017.
Well, didn't he re-tear his Achilles too?
Yeah, but that was like almost back-to-back.
He was going to get like a midnight snack and re-tore his Achilles.
Yeah. So, I mean, just so many injuries he's dealt with the last 4 years.
All that being said, he's been one of my favorite Redskins over the last decade. I just loved his personality. He came here kind of with a little bit of a checkered history, with a little bit of baggage. Didn't really work out in a few of his previous spots, especially in Oakland, where they just signed him that big deal. But I thought he was pretty much a model citizen for the most part while he was here in D.C., and he became really a fan favorite.
And I think he's going to be a guy who's going to be really excited when the legalized sports betting happens in the region. I've heard he likes to get down in the casinos. I've heard reports.